So I want to do a real quick video to do a trading recap on a trade that I took today. I didn't trade much at all, really. I wasn't really here. I kind of walked in and just found a trade. This is the double inside bar. So in my presentation, in my mentorship, I explain all of this stuff beforehand, and then we talk about it as it happens. So I talked about inside bars today, and it's really a mother bar, a baby bar. Then you got another baby bar. So when you see something like that, you typically know you're gonna get some good price movement. So here, your short entry. So I got them coded to show me yellow whenever they are. I call them baby bars. So whenever they inside bars, you play calls to break the upside, puts to the break on the downside. So this one I was short biased, and thankfully it did break bearish because I probably wouldn't have taken this bullish. And there's your short entry. Once you remember the open, the high, the low, the close, dollar price change, percentage price change is up here. If I hover over that one, that's showing me the last candle. If I go off the screen, it's showing me, or it's showing me the candle that I'm hovering over. I'll go off the screen, it's showing me the last candle. So you see the lows was 1010.62. So I go there, and I know once it breaks that, then I take a trade. I buy puts. Honestly, my price target was $9.94, but we were so late in the day that I was not betting on it going to $9.94. So I took my profit. I had to have taken profit before 10.07 because I think I honestly took profit at the bottom of that hourly candle. Somewhere around there. Somewhere between 10.08 and 10.07, something like that. So stock moved $2 and I get a 19-20% price change. So bought at 12.58, sold at 138. 12.58. Oh yeah, so 12.58 was, yeah. Okay, I about to say, I know I ain't tripping. Yeah, the break of 10.62, and then it says I sold at 138. And this is my Instagram. If you guys go follow that, I post a lot of stuff that I see. And what is that? I sold at 138. Yeah, sold at 138. So I sold at 138. That had to have been, yeah. So I think I sold right on when this candle went red, because you start to get with those zero DTEs, because they expire and such. They expire today, 0 days to expiration, zero DTEs. The volatility is crazy. So the premiums bleed fast because the more it chops, the more money you lose. So had I not sold right here, I probably would have lost a lot of money because I got chopped up. So like I said, even my price target was down there. Don't let a successful trade go bad because you're trying to hold all the way to the price target. So that's the inside bars. It's trade recap on Tesla. And I'll just show you what I mean real quick in case you haven't seen it. When I say stuff expire, they lose a lot of money fast. So the closer you get to expiration date, the faster they lose value, especially if you're not in the money. And even then, they lose a lot of money. They get real volatile. So you see sharp exponential decline. So keeping that stuff in mind. You can't beat this. Like I said, you just walk in and sit down and get a 19% return on your money. So that's $38 for every contract that I have. So just imagine having like 10, 20, 30 contracts. You're making good money. So that's just how it is. Even if you don't have 10, if you only have one, you just got a 19, 20% return on your money. And I've said it before, you compound your gains and just take high probability trades. If you continue to compound your gains, take high probability trades, if you can do it $1,000, you take 25 high probability trades and continue to compound your gains. At some point, you're probably going to take a loss on a trade. So let's just assume that this is not perfect. This assumes that you're perfect, but reality is that you're probably not going to be perfect. But we minimize our losses, minimize our risk, and maximize our gains. So that's the goal here. And that's your trading recap for Tesla. And hope you guys learned something in that video.